Dumb shit. Like, yeah. Man.
Just generally, you know,
Yeah, you can't make that turn, right?
you can't make the turn.
Right.
Yeah.
What's up? You got back in? Yeah. What's up?
How's your fish doing? They outside?
Yeah, they outside.
And
They
you
cool.
can't see.
Yeah, I bought a. I bought another extra heater for my pond.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, add them on the joint. Doing the work.
Yeah, doing the work, doing the city job, because they messed up.
Locking everybody in on some ice shit.
Right, this shit should be in a Schuylkill somewhere. Cheryl Parker, you did a bad job this year. It's getting you out of here. It was a pile of snow right here, but they did a good job. Adam
Yeah, Adam got
did a
on.
good job. Open up some space so we can get in here.
We have made a big tent.
Absolutely. Appreciate it.